Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Google Workspace subscription step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to admin.google.com to access the Google Admin Console. Sign in with the administrator account that manages the Google Workspace billing. If you are asked, complete any two-step verification to continue securely. On the Admin Console homepage, look for the menu icon and open the main navigation. Find and click Billing so you can manage your subscription settings. If you see multiple billing accounts, select the one linked to the subscription you want to cancel. Click Subscriptions to view all active Google Workspace plans on the account. Select the Google Workspace subscription you want to cancel from the list. Review the subscription details page to confirm you selected the correct plan. Click More Actions or Manage Subscription, depending on what your screen shows. Choose Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. Read the information about what happens to users, data access, and services after cancellation. Check the current billing status and note your renewal date to avoid surprises. If Google asks for a reason, select the closest option and continue. When you see the option to cancel immediately or at the end of the billing period, choose the one you prefer. If you want to avoid further charges, choose to cancel at the end of the current paid period when available. Confirm that you understand any data retention timelines and service changes. Click Continue to move to the final confirmation screen. Carefully review the final summary showing the cancellation date and any remaining access. Click Confirm Cancellation to submit the request. Wait for the confirmation message that the subscription has been canceled or scheduled to cancel. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Google. Go back to Billing and then Subscriptions to verify the status shows canceled or scheduled for cancellation. If you have multiple subscriptions, repeat the same steps for any other plans you also want to cancel. If you are switching to another provider, export important data from Google services before the end date. If you need to keep the domain, check your domain and DNS settings so your website and email routing are not disrupted. If you are not sure about billing results, contact Google Workspace support from the Admin Console help section. Store a screenshot or note of the cancellation confirmation for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.